Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or whatever that fucking Wazzy guy says.
What it feel like, man.
Ladies and gentlemen, Team Rocket, Team Helicopter, RIP Jesse
No, it's all honest.
from Team Rocket.
All honest.
You are looking at the
Woke up, new day, new cheddar, got a new goal.
number one locals. You know I run the Roaring Moon EX with the Patron baby and EX. Shouts out to your ex. Couldn't have a mystery box, so I got Prime Catcher. But you know what I got now? They call me Ash Ketchum. I got that now. This deck went 3-0, baby. Shout out to everybody that helped me put it together. So do we want to open a Journey together or Battle Styles? Let's go ahead and open up Battle Styles. I love Journey together, but since I won, I am not worried about another Pokemon card. But that was Star Status by Primo Rice. Let's see if we can get some better music. If any lights out. Normally I would open up a Journey Together's pack, but I got the cards I need. I will be making next a Joltik Maridon deck, so peep out for that. But yeah, this deck is fucking crazy. But I won because everybody else breaks. So what does that mean? Got that Bellsprout over here. Count 4, right? Ooh, shit, the old ass. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we unleash this energy. Pick a pack, any pack. I heard back in the day you used to get like 5-6 of these motherfuckers. Ooh, let's go. Durant. Kevin Durant. Gotta love KD, baby. Put the little mustard on it. Cheryl. Bellsprout. Onyx. Sparrow. Slizzin. Shinx. Ooh. Rocky. Mailrack. And that was it. What the fuck? Damn, this shit sucked, bro. Might as well open one of these prize packs. Battle Styles, aka call that shit fucking garbage styles. Pulled nothing. Alright, let's take the front. Let's take the top. Come on, can we get? Imagine me getting a secret box right here. I'll be fucking pissed. I lost a Pheasant Deputy and a counter catcher from the prize from the prize packs here. Motherfucker probably ripped me off, but you know what? We could have that. I still won. I don't need no counter catcher on my deck, bitch. Professor Tauros, Iron Bowler, weak. Ditto. Oh, Ditto was hollow. Glass Trumpet. What do we got next? Last card. Oh, Hollow Energy, buddy. What the fuck? Energy? Now I'm gonna have to open this because that shit sucked. But yeah. I'll probably keep playing this deck, but I'm gonna play with, obviously, Secret Box. Even though I don't have a counter catcher or a Pokemon catcher on my deck, I might. You know, I gotta get also a Baby Moon. Ooh, Binding Emoji. I'll probably put this on my deck. Nice Stretcher. Okay. Same thing. Fezzy, Fezzy with the Desi. Not this one. Oh, this is the hollow. Gross. Whack ass. Ooh. Hollow. Psychic. GG. Horrible.